Hello everyone. So I'm sorry that I cannot be in the class today because I have to go to a conference. So I will be back soon, and I will be in the class for the Thursday class. That's why. So I have asked my PhD student Chao Jie Yang. So he should be there already. So he should already your uh, hand in those this syllabus to you. So today, so I have record this video. So let's go through. So because I'm not there, so let's go through the syllabus first. I guess this is the most important information you would like to know about this class. So the title for this class is Advanced Imaging and Techniques, and the class time is Thursday 4 to 5:30, and my name is Xiaonan Shan. So that's my email address on the screen. And my office is located at Engineering Building 2 on the W306. And so the phone number is listed there. And my office hour is right after the class. So in case you have any question, you can just ask me at the end of the class. And also maybe by appointment. So you can, if you don't have time, you can ask me, make appointment with me. So regarding the textbook, I think there is no requirement. So there is a textbook, really good one. It's called Optics by Eugene Hecht. So this is any version of this book is good. So you can it's suggested, but it's not required. It's really good book. So if you would like to learn some basic concept of optics, so it's strongly suggest you to have that. And then so there's no the required reading is just the PPT. So the PPT I will upload onto the Blackboard for each week, and there's no pre-request for this class. And so the goal for this class is trying to introduce the basic concept of different imaging technique. So for the biomedical and the material research or nano research. So mostly we'll focus on optical, and also we will introduce some electron or the AFM or SEM, STM. So those kind of imaging technique. So it depends on the time. So whether we have enough time to introduce those. For the course topics, so you can see clearly the basic. So the big portion is the basic principle of optics. So we will introduce some basic principle. Like electromagnetic waves, Maxwell equation, but we don't require you to do anything with those equations. So I just hope we can understand a little bit what is a Maxwell equation in case you don't have the physics background, and how the light scatter and reflect or refraction and the polarization. So what are those the basic concept of the optics, and then based on that, so we will introduce some basic microscope technique, optical microscope technique, the phase contrast, the differential interference contrast and confocal microscope, and then some super resolution microscope, and some other scanning based near field microscope, and some also a little bit infrared spectrum if we have time, a Raman spectrum and TERS, and also we will introduce a little bit on the electron-based scanning or tunneling electron-based microscope. So it's just a basic concept. And if we have time, we may be able to cover this STM, AFM, and AMR, and maybe ultrasound imaging. So so expected outcome, I think so. So I would like students just know a big picture of those optical or the imaging techniques available for the research, and so the grading policy, I think that's the most important. That's the most important thing you would like to know. So the homework will count so for 25%. So it's full time homework, and then the midterm will be count for 20%. So currently what my plan is, so the midterm will have the question very similar to the homeworks, and then I think you should have some like one page of a cheat sheet. So it should be the closed book exam, but I haven't make my final decision. Attendance will be 5%. I don't think we'll have a lot of students, so I can see it every week. So who attend or not. And then the final presentation is about 50%. So basically, you don't need to have a written report. So just a presentation will be good enough. And then next is grading points rule. So we will count so which one is A, B, C by this range. Okay, so at the end is this so the academic honesty policy. So basically we have this statement. So you need to sign this statement and return to me at August the next Thursday, right? Next Thursday. Okay, so basically saying that you have read these documents and you will not do anything or violate this policy. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So if you have any questions, you can either shoot me an email, or you can also ask me on the next class, on the Thursday class.